Want to program your 1999-2003 Toyota Camry Solara key fob yourself? It's a straightforward process that can save you money. First, ensure you have a compatible key fob, ideally an OEM or verified clone with a fresh CR2032 battery. The standard method involves cycling the ignition key and pressing the fob buttons in a specific sequence. Insert the key into the ignition. Turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Press and hold the unlock button on the fob for 5 to 10 seconds, then release. Repeat this for the lock and panic buttons, timing each press precisely, usually within 10 to 15 seconds per button. Turn the ignition off, remove the key, and test the fob. Success rates for DIY attempts are high, around 80 to 90%, so follow these steps carefully. If the programming fails, common issues include interference from nearby electronics, a dead fob battery, or a faulty receiver module in the car. Ensure you are programming within 30 to 60 seconds to avoid timeout. Also, not all aftermarket fobs are compatible, so verify before purchasing. For persistent failures, a scan tool like an OBD2 reader might help diagnose receiver problems. Automotive experts recommend using the OEM method for reliability and caution against using cheap fobs that may drain batteries faster. If DIY isn't working, consider a professional repair, as a faulty receiver module can require more complex diagnostics and repair, costing around $300. Remember, while DIY programming is generally successful, complex issues may need expert intervention.